Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Invest Your Talent Scholarship in Italy. Today we are going to discuss about what is Invest Your Talent Scholarship, documents required, application deadline and many more. So first let's talk about what is this scholarship is about. These government scholarships are awarded for master degrees courses at Italian universities. Now let's talk about eligibility criteria. Student must hold a bachelor's degree. Student must have at least B2 level of English language certificate. An English language certificate within the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages. Highly recommended IELTS TOEFL is required. Now let's move towards the next segment, which is required documents. A final transcripts of previous exams as well as final grade. English language certificate, which is IELTS TOEFL, Europass CV, valid passport, a passport size photograph. How to apply for this scholarship? To help you understand the application process better, I will take you to my computer screen. And as you can see, you have to open the first link for Invest Your Talent in Italy, which I will also mention in the description of this video. So it will be easy for you to directly visit this page. So the first step that we have to follow is that we have to select one course and university. So first let's take a look at some courses. As soon as we move to the courses, we will be directed to an interface like this. So the chances are high for you to get a scholarship from these universities itself. Let's first search for some courses. So you will mostly find courses related to three streams. That is architecture and design, economics and management, engineering and advanced technologies. It depends on your preference. For example, let's say I want to apply for economics and management program. Okay, I will directly go for search. So there are multiple universities that offers their relevant courses and you can change the page like this. Okay, you can change it like this. So you will find more and more universities that offers the same course. For example, there is international management and so on. So you have to select a university from here, right? And go to the available courses. And from here on, after selecting both the courses and the university, you will be required to complete the application process for the specific course in that university. The portfolio is different for every university. Here, let's go to apply for MIM. The call is already open for this one. So from here, you can click on apply online and start the application. So the first step will be to apply to get an admission. Now as soon as you have done with your application, the next step will be to apply for the scholarship. The best part in our case is that you won't need an admission letter in your hand before applying. You can simultaneously apply for the scholarship as well. The important thing is that in the first step you have already applied for the university. Now as you can read here, we have to select a course from the given options. Now I have already mentioned this. In the beginning, in your country is eligible to apply or not. The timeline for the application is mentioned here, as well as the FAQs and the documents required. We will talk about all of this. Let's first move to the registration page. Initially, you will enter your details here and register on this page. In my case, I had already registered myself. So I will simply put up my details. So when your login is complete, an interface similar to this will be displayed. Then again you can select a course and you can also edit your application. Even after registering, you can search for your desired course or university and fill out the application, or before both ways are fine and known to you. Now you will move to the fill or edit my application. Here I have already filled out the application with my personal information. For example, I choose the University of Cassino, Global Economy and Business. Students only choose that course from the options for which you have already applied to the university. So you can apply for two courses in two universities. Fill in the details for the first university here and then the second in there. Now since you must have applied recently, so you will choose no as an option here. It will be an auto click and you will choose apply for both scholarship and internship. All other information will already be filled in. Just here I have put in the B2 level proficiency. If you don't know Italian, then you won't have to mention it and mention whichever country you belong to. Now let's save it, alright. After saving this interface will open where you will need to upload the documents. The PDF files that you must upload are listed here, and for video you must use MP4 files. I will now specify the types of documents that are needed. As visible on the screen, that first of all I need the final transcript of bachelor's. Translation if the documents are not in English, then you will need to translate it into English. Language certificate, if an English language certificate. You have an IELTS medium of instruction certificate, then you can attach that here. If you have any certification in the Italian language, then you will definitely get an advantage. And if not, then it's optional as it is clearly mentioned here. So if you don't upload anything here, then it's fine. Here you will have to prepare an application video, and this was the first video that I uploaded on YouTube. So you will have to make a video which should be less than 1 minute, and it should be a motivational video that specify why you are applying for this scholarship. That's going to be an important factor, guys, where you need to describe how your future aspirations are going to be benefit in Italy. Then you have to attach your CV and passport here, and after that save or submit your application. So the application process is quite simple. If you have everything prepared already, then you can submit it in 5 minutes. Now let's move to the next part, which is benefits of the scholarship. You will get 900 euros per month for 9 months. This scholarship will also help you in your tuition fee waiver. You will also get internship from a leading Italian company. Only students from these countries can get scholarship. Now let's talk about application starting date and their deadlines. Application started from 25th January 2023 and the deadline for the same is 24th February 2023. And you will get your results in June 2023. The application link is in the description box below. I hope that you all will be starting your application process as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope that you like all the information that is provided. For more such updates, click the subscribe button. Thank you.